guys, welcome back to another great video with the boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So today we actually I shoot somewhere for the first time. We never actually shoot before, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, you go down for your base, you know?
Yeah man. Beautiful scene. Yeah man, people swing off fight man, we are swinging after them man. Yeah. You know what they run going on, but take time to yeah guys, welcome back to another video with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So today, you know, Mother's Day. So we carry Nadisha up on the river. Me and dog look about our Mother's Day dinner, but it don't really work out. We have to actually come back home, like wait up, come back home man, like the rain come down so hard, so we are gonna deal with the cooking in our indoor settings today, you know. The ones that see dog the people.
Yes, Steve. It's a blessing to see rain fall on Mother's Day. So I say, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there in the world. Especially my mother, Talman mother, my wife mother, everybody. And all the mothers and Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Yeah man, blessed. You're going to do some spicy barbecue pork with some roast breadfruit and some stir fry bread. But as I see to reach a river, we have to turn back because of peer rain. So we're going to do one indoor cooking in the evening. So go and watch it. Watch until we start out. Boom.
That one's Nadisha here. Happy Mother's Day, sister.
Yeah man, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Happy Mother's Day to my mother, Talman mother and husband mother. Yeah man, bless up.
Yeah guys, so we'll kick off the ball. See you man. You know, rain or shine, vlog happy create. So you guys can get the content then. So 4 breadfruit there, so 6 of them we can roast 6 of them one time, pertaining to the rim can hold all 6. Yeah. So barbecue pork, honey barbecue sauce, yeah, tossed vegetable. Yes guys, when rain or shine, sun, everything, nothing can stop it, you know. Use some vinegar. I'm gonna wash off the pork. Rain or shine, sun, whatever. Vlog of a crate. Spicy barbecue pork. I use some ribs. Today I eat the pork today, you know guys.
Sorry, Master.
Right on my yard today in an unfinished house.
Oh, that dark.
Today we are eating pork today guys.
Oh, tell the people we are not pork right now.
Now them people are forced me to eat pork someone. I want some vinegar water, you know? Get rid of the rawness. I'm gonna use some pimento seed, some cloves. Cloves tend to add a good flavor, you know? All-purpose season. And also some barbecue spice, powder season. Turn up the flame on it today. And some black pepper, so a little bit. So a little bit of black pepper. Then add a little bit of meat season. Also gonna add some soya sauce. Some dark soya sauce. Yeah man. Here thunder roll guys. Now we still have to put out the video out there. A blended season. And we say pepper, scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, ginger. Yeah.
Yes, babes. Fire then ketchup now. Fire blaze on the breadfruit them. So that's the next fire. We're gonna put on the pork on the next fire. That one. Rain or shine, Caribbean vibes is still out. Yeah man.
Guys, happy Mother's Day to Chrissy. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Guys, Chrissy now left out the channel and I really appreciate the love and the support that everybody have push out for the channel. Make the channel grow, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, and a little garlic powder. Then we have to rub in all of this herbs and spice now, you know? Yeah man, to the idea people when I go test the pork first, you know? Yeah.
You know what, guys? Not testing. Yeah, me look at mackerel.
Yeah, oh. Yeah, beat up with things so. Yeah, beat up with things so. Yeah, man, we are going to season and taste, and we are going to leave it to marinate for another 20-30 minutes. We up in the night and now. Rain mash up with things. We're going to add in the pork and season. We're going to come back down. Today is not a good day. And I come on to your vlog. I'm going to go after the pre-cook then. Yeah guys, look, the rain a fall hard, look there. And I add a piece of ginger, pimento leaf, bay leaf, cloves.
You want to see the rain of fall hard out the door. You want to go down at the rain stop and you still do the rest of it.
Then we're going to add some chopped onion, cool stalker, scallion, that thyme. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'm just going to be boiling the pork so the pork can get tender.
Yeah, please. That's what the breadfruit is. Fire blaze on the breadfruit. Thing go smooth and very rain and fall. Thing go smooth.
Because steam a bubble out of that one there.
Yes, man.
Watch it. Steam a bubble out of that. So I'm going to left one of the breadfruit. A 6 breadfruit and a 6 breadfruit are roasted already.
Yeah, man, and a straight fire, you know, you want to space. So when time we take off one, put on the next one.
Then I can come off, some of them can come off a yellow breadfruit. Then I take no time.
Give them about 5 more minutes and then we take off more than 2 years. And then get the next one for you.
Man, breadfruit, I want for my breakfast tomorrow. You know.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so the pork ready. Not overcook it. Because it's still going to go up on the grill. Just pre-cook. You can see it cook, but it still maintain a firmness to it. Spicy barbecue pork. Get on another one today, you know, for you first.
Yeah.
First in my life, I eat pork, guys. Looking good.
You steam of feeling with that pork. That's it.
You can smell the herbs and the spice. You can smell the clove, the garlic, the ginger, bell pepper.
Yeah. That's beef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm adding the pork and the grill. Oh, yeah, pork, bro.
Yeah. We do the pork.
So your favorite this side now?
Yes, no. Call me name when I say pork.
What I call for me name though. Get it?
Yeah, the pork of fire, prep up.
Get it?
Oh.
Yeah, man. I'm going to make the barbecue sauce feature, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take some of my juice from the pork. And then I'm gonna use some of the honey barbecue sauce. I think this is good. Well hot. Oh. Yeah. Drop just a little bit of orange juice in this. Add some barbecue sauce. All-purpose season. Yes, man. And it can't be honey barbecue without the honey, you know? Right, Chrissy?
Yes.
Chrissy taking over today, guys.
No?
Why?
I'm just looking, observing.
Yeah, so this is how you get the honey barbecue, you know? All natural. Add a little ketchup, not too much. Just want to thicken the sauce just a little bit.
Yeah, perfect. Much better.
Alright. Look at the soy sauce, just to darken it a little bit. That is it. So get up back, you know, you see that? Yes, man. Yeah, all the pork lover them come out today. Wanted to shoot that video here, guys, at the river. What may I tell you, say it wasn't a good day at the river today for us.
I can't wait to get in a piece of that pork. Yes, it's all.
Yeah, man, me too. Make it better. Easier way, but you can use the brush and coat it. The easier way to just dip it in the dip sauce. So we repeat the process till everything finished. So So that is the reason why I said like when you're doing like barbecue or jerk pork, you tend to just pre-cook it a little bit. You don't really overcook it because it will actually go back on the grill.
Don't take it down here.
Piece of pork, jump pork.
Vale, por lo que fue aquí.
Oh, them are prop.
Yeah, boss lady, I get some more sauce from it.
Pork. Yeah, man.
Can't wait.
You get into this pork.
Watch it. Yeah, pretty. Come on, boss lady, I get in some more sauce.
Yeah, man, I get some more sauce. You want him, yeah?
Yeah, please. You go up on the river about this. Rain come catch you so I have to turn back. I can't do an indoor cooking. There, man. Caribbean Bride's cooking down. All is out.
Yeah, man,
Rain
we
and
not
shine. There. There's something to say for the mothers here. All the mothers. Both. Yeah, peeps. I get the pork now. Half a grill now. I don't want to enjoy it too much. Could have one. Oh my word.
Smoke, Africa guys.
There's a smoky day today. There's a smoky day.
So in-house.
So indoor cooking, smoke and mash it up. Because of the rain, if we stay in today. Yeah man, but everything alright man. I don't do anything no rain and shine. Caribbean vibes, always out. Pretty man, what you want? Flavor, pretty. Wow. Can't wait to get in it.
I always can't wait. Yeah, I always can't wait. So what guys, smoke all over. All over. We are going to put this out this way. So you can actually get the stir fry the vegetables. So that's all I have for the people. Yes. We have some stir fry vegetable, add a little bit of oil in the pot. Add in the popcorn. Yeah, use some julienne carrot. Tomato. Cabbage. Yeah, use some onion. Fine okra. Bell pepper. Coriander. So yeah, add accordingly, based up off of the vegetable we like. Yeah. Stir fry vegetable, just continue stir. Yeah, add a little bit of salt with a little bit of black pepper. Vegetable full of color. Add a little pinch of salt. Just a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper I move so like you know I'm going. Guys, me get so used to the outdoor cooking and the river and the adventure where kind of feel, you know, really feel like the way how I want it to feel. explore the adventure, but you know, it have to go on, the vlog have to go on. Right, Rasta?
Yes, we use the cooking now. And we tell them say we put the seed in cooking now.
Yeah, so we just keep on stirring because it's supposed to be crunchy. That's why it's called stir fry. Yeah guys, vegetable look good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I hit that, you know.
Yes, man, we'll get it up on fire now.
Yeah, dinner complete.
Yeah, man, food ready now, so I'm going to share out the food around.
Yeah,
We'll get the breadfruit and peel up and out. Alright, then I press the ship long. Body, I'll leave it on the food Sunday evening, the sun come up brighter and shiny. So, we'll get the breadfruit peel up and then we share out the food. We can go and wait and watch the process. Boom. Let's speak that best time and all. Sharing time.
Yeah, barbecue pork looking good.
Yes, man, can't wait to get it up in the middle.
Because it's big, so now I'm putting on a plate just like that.
Soft, man, just a run through it. Oh my word. Good there.
That's the favorite meat, you see that guys?
Boom. Watch pork man up, oh pretty boy.
Yeah, no, unfortunately, I tap out this week, you know? They say this a week where me I go take on the hurdle for the pork, but and I later know what to bait, you know?
Man, I deal with the pork like set. I'm a pork man. Yo, I'm pleased Yo. Man, I deal with the pork like I'm a human real pork man. What you juice or you know?
Yeah, man, the pork look good, man.
That's
Can't hide that about you, you know?
great.
Yeah, and the aroma, the flavor.
Yeah.
It's really good and the texture is nice. Texture is nice.
Look a piece here.
Give them some like
Top sauce for you.
honey barbecue sauce. Yes, people, another day, you know? Yeah, it's good chilling with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking.
I hit man.
Yeah. Once more after Mother's Day to the amazing females that have been doing it. You know, a lot of females out there do it for their own. You're not supposed to go like that, you know?
Yeah.
I applaud the females there, you know?
Yeah. Really man.
That's why we take care of Nadisha today, you know?
Yeah, man.
Never big up my mommy because she alone. Never have no father to be a friend to her and then tell my father. So big up yourself, Jack killing me. Mom. Look how it's terrified, Rich.
Boss lady I get first today, you know, Mother's Day, you know. Come in, boss lady.
Yeah, man. Respect, you know? Yeah, man. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world.
Come in, young puppy.
Big up on
you know?
yourself.
Yes, peeps. I'm look a puppy that. I'm beer on dog get one puppy. Yes, man.
Chrissy.
Right, man.
Tell them about the puppy.
And to the guys who want to hear some chat like a fireside.
Yeah, man.
What yeah, man? Talk good pork, you know, roast breadfruit, stir fry vegetable. Nice.
wanna
One more again, guys. And you work up in the cooking vlog, I tell you.
Yes, man. Flavor.
Breadfruit on there.
Two.
One more bit.
Yeah, in there.
Yeah. Chris, you want more breadfruit or 3? You know?
For now, that would be good.
Yes.
Thank you. Hang on first. She's coming. Hi guys. Stir fry fish. The fire tastes good. The sauce, they dip the veg in the sauce. Tastes really good.
I'm not seeing nobody take one picture of what I plate of food. This week, we are telling you, nobody even want to take no picture of food.
And we just can't wait to get in a good old barbecue pork with roast breadfruit.
Come in, Bruno. Come in.
Watch out. Oh, we can't even a 2 part there. 2 part there. Yes, I don't need to do there. Watch out. 2 far. How we can't get it? Wait.
Bruno, you are shy out this week.
Don't bother.
Yeah, please. Yes, I'm going to right now. Barbecue pork, spicy barbecue pork, roast breadfruit, stir fry veg. Come on, big up also.
Finger licking good today, peeps. Yeah. Guys, we have to take a look more for 2 food bag. Yeah, good guys, we have to take a look more. Yeah, peeps. I agree with sauce and mad. Good, huh? I'm going to take a more.
I'll give cameraman some time to get in a fever over and everything said. See you later, people. Boom.
Guys, we need a redo of this barbecue pork because I swear, I'm not lying, it tastes good. You see this sauce, me, I'm going with this packet, yeah. Me, I'm going with it and I get twin tweet for my food. Nice man.
Sauce bad.
Sauce bar.
So the rasta today, you know, breadfruit and veg.
Yeah. I look at two side sauce.
No, toops are no sauce. Just make a sauce and fully have flavor.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Where's
That's
it?
all it is.
Where's the puppy?
Yeah, guys, I eat, man, I eat.
Doing a young gun.
Food mad, me not lie, I mean, it's sauce. Yeah, me don't know time when we put in that sauce. Me don't know what time we put in that sauce. Every week, me don't know when me man make sauce. Me know it's sauce they can bad to people. Time when we put in that sauce, brother.
Just specialize in a sauce. I think me have up my restaurant and specialize as a sauce here and just strictly sauce. Me have to cook meat with it, but ever since guys, me love to make sauce.
Show my sauce, but
And you see thing about career or skill, anything where you want to put it in your way. When you do it for your heart and do it because you love it, then these are the reactions that you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Because you're doing something from your heart, you're doing something that you will love.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Oh. It's a great day, man.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So it was a wonderful Sunday. Let me say again, bless up all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Yeah, man, it was a great day. Although rain come and we go at the river, we have to turn back. But the day ended up wonderful. Yeah man, the spicy barbecue pork, breadfruit and the stir fry veg. Nice. I tell her. Yes peeps. So we'll see you in our next video again. So I want you to like, share, comments and subscribe. Boom.
Boss lady.
Yeah man, peace out, you know. One more bomb drop again, you know. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog.
Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there, guys. I hope you enjoyed your day. Thanks for tuning to the channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.